Observing owls in their natural habitats can teach us valuable life lessons. Here are some lessons we can learn from these magnificent creatures. Number 1. Seek wisdom. Owls are often associated with wisdom due to their calm and observant nature. They patiently wait and observe their surroundings before taking action. This reminds us to approach life with wisdom and thoughtfulness, considering our options and making informed decisions. Number 2. Maintain patience. Owls are patient hunters waiting silently for the prey to appear. They rely on the stealth to hunt effectively. This silent fight allows them to get close to the target without alerting it. They remind us to cultivate patience in our lives, understanding that some things require time and perseverance, and knowing things will fall in line at the right moment. Number 3. Embrace solitude. Owls are solitary creatures that are comfortable being alone. Owls generally lead independent lives, not relying heavily on social interactions for survival. They have evolved to be self-sufficient with their unique adaptations for hunting, flying silently, and surviving in the specific habitats. They teach us the importance of spending time in solitude, fostering self-reflection and nurturing our inner selves. Number 4. Adaptability. Owls are adaptable creatures that can thrive in various environments. Owls can be found in a wide range of habitats across the globe, including forests, grasslands, deserts, tundra, and even urban areas. They have the ability to adapt to different environments by utilizing available resources and modifying their hunting techniques to suit the specific conditions of their habitat. They teach us the importance of being flexible and adjusting to the different situations and circumstances. Number 5. Silence and listening. Owls are known for their quietness and acute hearing, even in complete darkness. Owls possess unique anatomical features that contribute to their remarkable listening skills. They teach us the value of silence and active listening. By being silent and attentive, we can gain a deeper understanding of ourselves, others, and the world around us. Number 6. See beyond the surface. Owls have the ability to see beyond the ground level and perceive details that others may overlook. They encourage us to look deeper, to seek understanding beyond superficial appearances, and to explore different perspectives. Number 7. Embrace the night. Owls are creatures of the night. They teach us not to fear darkness or the unknown. They encourage us to embrace the shadows in our own lives, to face our fears, and to find growth and strength in challenging times. Number 8. Graceful presence. Owls possess an air of grace and elegance in their movements and appearance. They remind us to carry ourselves with grace and dignity, even in difficult times. Cultivating a graceful presence can help us maintain peace, navigate conflicts, and inspire others through our actions. Number 9. Trust instincts. Owls have an instinctual wisdom that guides their actions. They remind us to trust our intuition and listen to our inner voice when making decisions or navigating uncertain situations. Number 10. Be observant. Owls have excellent vision and hearing, allowing them to observe and perceive their surroundings with great precision. They teach us to be more attentive, observant, and mindful of the world around us.